Hello viewers and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at what you get inside the box when you purchase the Epson EcoTank ET-3850. So let's take a look. Alright. You get a packet with instructions, a disc for, I'm not sure, power cable, some foam. Always take a look through these. Sometimes the manufacturers have little pockets and stuff like this where they can hide things, and you definitely don't want to throw that stuff away. So check the foam packet. Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. Got some ink. These ink bottles. Got the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. So you get the 4 ink bottles, cable, instructions, and then obviously the printer itself. So let's try to take this out here without destroying it. Set it down gently. Let's see. Nothing in this foam insert. And then there's one last one just to be sure. Nothing in that one. Box is empty. Alright. And then here's the actual printer itself. So let me unwrap it a little bit so you can take a look. Take a good look at it. And there you have it. You get the printer, instruction booklet, power cable, and the full complement of Epson dye ink. Thanks for watching.